Hey guys, PokeCraft16 here, and I wanted to get a little destructive, so I built this really small pyramid out of TNT, and trust me, it's not hollow. And there's the thing that's gonna set it off. I see the fire getting onto the TNT right now, and now we just gotta sit back and relax. Oh yeah, there's some animals around. What? Did that really just happen? Wow. Just wow. Eh, I'm gonna reset it because I don't want to have to move back to be able to see the thing. So we just gotta wait and hope the fire actually sets it on fire this time. Hi, Mr. Sheep. No jumping on the bed.
You're not my dad!
Oh, goodness. And now we just wait. I see fire, but I don't get TNT. I don't see TNT. Oh goodness, the TNT better not go off while there's still that wool block under it, I swear. Come on, wool block, disappear. Wool block, disappear! Oh goodness. Yeah, it's just burning. Does fire not set off TNT anymore? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I was about to say, what wool block can withstand that? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Ha ha ha. And here's the lag. Wow, that's really loud. That's really loud. Okay, I think I might have overdone it. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, a dead sheep. A dead sheep right there. I did it. I broke it in Minecraft. Well, there wasn't that much damage. I am curious as to what would happen if I went over. Oh, that's what happens. That was actually fun. I want to do it again. Just not today. It took a while to build that. That was actually really fun. I want to blow something else up. It didn't make as big of a crater as I thought it would. But, you know, that's still pretty big. If you guys did enjoy, you can leave a like, comment, subscribe. Everything's appreciated, even, $2 billion, but, some people just don't like to share. That's weird. Look at that. Oh, no. Oh, there it is. I can't even, get to... Okay, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. And, yeah. How did you survive? Oh. Oh. Quote, in quotation marks. Whoops. I swear it was an accident. Did I crash? No, I could still hear the noises. Well, anyway, guys, I'll see you next time.